After sa pipila ka mga Christmas engagements, time na sad for my little family. As you can see, kauban ako si Baby Rainy and of course si Daddy. We're here in Valencia City Plaza kay mag-watch ko mi sa ilahang Christmas lights.
Rainy! Do you like it? Would you like to go there? Let's go? Let's go? Let's go! Let's walk! Let's go! Let's go! You don't like it? What? What? What did you say? Let's go. Look. Wow. Hey. There's some water in there. Water fountain. It's a fountain. Would you like to go there?
You want to go there? Let's go closer.
Let's go closer. Let's go. Lamadro. What? We will go there. What? Christmas tree. Look at there. There, there's a light in there. Look at. Rainy. Hi, how are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Look. Ngawa niya. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo.
Tungod kay daghan kaayo nagbaligya og mga toys nga very attractive sa mga kids, syempre si Baby gusto pod mo palit. So kaning balloon, usa ni siya sa among mga napalit.
Dagway. Gusto gapaw di lips.
Pilay dyan niya, magkitaya mo na.
Ano na anak? Aray ko po.
Buy one take one eh, ha? Buy one take one.
You like it? Very cutie. What do you want? Wow. Oh, oh. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yay! There's so many! There's so many! You like it? There's so many! Which one? Which one? Piling daw ka na. Choose. Choose na. What do you want? Hala! What do you want now? Rainy? Cute ka ng doggy po do. Oh, gani. Do you like doggy? Distraction to niya. Diri na po siya matanaw. You choose. You choose. Which one? Which one?
Hawakan saman.
What do you want?
Ug tungod sa kadaghan nga options, naglibog na si Baby kung unsa gyud ang among paliton.
Cute ang white, no?
So si Mommy na lang og si Daddy ang nag-decide.
Pero cute niya po ganing iro, daddy, ay. Dog. Look. How about the dog? Dili siya katanaw. How about the dog?
No.
The dog? You like the dog? Murag mas nakarelate siya sa dog, daddy. Ganahan siya. Oh, 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 oh. siya new toy. Horny? Ay.
So that's it for now sa amo ang Valencia City Plaza Christmas Lights Laag. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching! And of course, Merry Christmas sa tanan! And wishing everyone a prosperous new year ahead! Bye-bye!
And blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet.